An Arizona bill aimed at eliminating something called balance billing has now become law.
As 300 Side's Gary Harper explains tonight, this is great news for you.
Balance billing has been around for years, and even though it's illegal in many states, it is legal right here in Arizona, but not for long.
I'm thrilled.
State Senator Debbie Lesko says Arizona consumers should be just as excited. Lesko authored the bill that helps eliminate something referred to as balance billing in the medical field, and that legislation just recently passed.
This legislation is a big win for patients in Arizona. Now they have a way to settle their surprise medical bills. This is such a big problem.
And balance billing is a big problem. Just ask Carrie Wallinger. She was recently profiled in a 300 Side report and says she's a victim of balance billing.
Panic, I don't have $9,000 for sure to pay for something like that. Sit.
Carrie's finger was injured breaking up a fight between her dogs, and although the hospital she went to was considered in-network with her insurance carrier, the doctor who stitched up her finger is out of network. That doctor is from the Arizona Center for Hand Surgery, and after being paid the lower in-network amount from Carrie's insurance, they sent Carrie a bill for the remaining balance, $9,000. The Arizona Center for Hand Surgery has been profiled in the past for balance billing and even threw me off their property recently, saying they did not want to talk about their billing practices. You don't want to talk then?
I'm not permitted to.
Okay.
But I was asked to escort you off the property.
All right, very good. Tell whoever needs to know that we're doing a news report on your billing practices. Senator Lesko says consumers will now get relief.
If a patient gets a surprise bill under my legislation, they'll be able to call the Department of Insurance, which will set up a telephone call between the doctor, the insurance company, and the patient. In most of the cases, it will be settled right then and there. But if for some reason it's not settled over the telephone call, then it will go to a private arbitrator, which will settle the amount. The patient will be out no more expense.
Lesko says similar laws in other states are resolved more than 90% of the time with one call.
I'm absolutely thrilled because this is something I worked so hard on for months, and so I'm thankful to all the legislators that voted for this.
Again, the good news is this bill officially became law with Governor Ducey's signature this morning. However, there is a downside, and that is it won't really take effect until January 2019. Now, that sounds like a long ways off, but we have to give the Department of Insurance some time to come up with some rules and guidelines to make sure this thing takes place properly. I'm Gary Harper, 3 on your side.